it's so obvious now when you kind of get into the weeds of it, but so many times when I've been thinking about writing copy for landing pages or ads or messaging in general, I'll just listen to what the actual customer says, whether it's in an interview, whether it's in a review, and I'll literally just take those exact words, and it just fits absolutely perfectly. So
I
on,
know. Well, so just
yeah,
to go off of that, I mean, people don't realize how much the research could help them. It's like you don't
yeah.
need to think about this fancy copy or come up with this thing. You just need the research to tell you the answers. It's just, it's that easy, and I think people skip it because they think it's going to be more work, but it's actually more work to do it without the research.
Yeah, I can't imagine like sitting down to trying to write a landing page with zero research and trying to think about like what the hell am I going to write? It'd be so difficult.